Yeah.
Proceed.
So we have completed directory management. In that we have seen how to create single directory, multiple directories, and parent and subdirectories, how to switch from one directory to another directory, how to rename the directory, and how to delete the
Delete.
directories, single directory as well as multiple directories.
Yeah.
Now we'll proceed with files. How to create files in Linux. So there are three methods. One is to create empty file. Second is to create one line file. And third is to create the para in the file. So first we'll see how to create the empty file. What's the command? Sudo touch and name of the file. Um, Name of the file, payment file. Enter. So I have created a empty file. And what's the name of that file?
Payment file.
Payment.file. If I want to check, how do I need to check?
LS.
LS.
And enter. Can you see file in white color?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
If I create directory, directory will be in which color?
Blue color.
Yes, directory will be in blue color.
Blue color.
And file will be in
White color.
white color. Similarly, if I want to create one more file, em empty file, sudo
Sudo
touch and name of the file.
menu.file.
You can give extension or not. ls.
Sudo
Can you all see menu file here?
touch menu.
Yes.
Yeah.
So this is the command to create empty file. What's the command? Touch and the name of the file. Is it clear how to create
Yes.
empty file and how to check whether the file is created or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Now the second is how to create one line file. The command is echo apostrophes. This is my favorite game.
This is file name or madam content of the file?
This is the content, the line,
This is my favorite game. Yeah.
and the lesser than sign symbol. Here you need to type the name of the file. Enter. So echo, this is my favorite game, claw. Claw is the name of the file. Inside the file, I have written the one line, which is this is my favorite game. If I want to check, how do I need to check? ls. Can you see the name of the file?
Yes.
Name of the file is
Claw.
claw. Inside the claw, I have written the content. This is my favorite game. Now, if I want to see this line, the content, how do I need to check? I need to go to claw.
Claw, ma'am. No. Yeah.
What you need to do? You need to type the command cat
Claw.
space the name of the file. It will show the content of your file. This is my favorite game. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
This is nice.
Similarly, if you want to Give the another name. Like this is our
AWS class.
this is our AWS class. And what will be the file name? Give any file name.
AWS.
Okay, AWS is the file name. Enter. Now if I want to check, AWS is the file.
Echo.
If I want to check the
Claw.
content of AWS,
Cat claw.
yes,
Cat
cat
claw. The cat, sorry, AWS.
AWS.
Mm.
Clear?
Yes,
Yeah.
This is how you create one line file. With the command echo, the line, then the greater than sign, and the file name of the file. Is it clear?
clear, ma'am.
Okay. Now the third way to create file and to edit the file is, okay, in Linux there are three editors: VI, Nano, and Vim. These three are the Linux editors. Currently we will be using VI.
What are
VI
those?
editor.
Can you repeat? VI?
VI, Nano, 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 and Vim, Vim. So these three are the Linux file editors. Currently we will be using VI. So if I want to give any name of the file, let's
Dot
say
VI.
VI is the name of the editor, Linux editor.
Okay.
Sudo VI. Give any name of the file.
AWS.
AWS. AWS is
Yeah.
already created.
Python.
Swiggy. Let's say not Swiggy, Misho. Misho is the name of the file. If I enter, because VI, this is the editor. VI editor. There are three editors: VI, Nano, and Vim. We are
Press enter.
using VI. So to create a file, we need to type sudo VI and the name of the file.
So how did you get back, ma'am, after this?
Yes, I'll show now. Can you see here? Misho is created. Now,
Yes.
if I want to edit, I want to write the content in Misho in para. So what I need to do? Again, I need to type sudo vi Misho, enter. As soon as I enter, I will go into this blank page, this VI editor. Here, if I want, here I can type the paras, the content. To write the content, first what I need to do, I need to press I. As soon as you press I, it will show the option of insert. After pressing I, then you can write the content here. This is the online platform
Insert.
used by many people.
Again, ma'am, what did you do?
I'll show again.
I
Just
use
listen here. I. After getting this black page, you need to
Okay.
press I. I stands for insert. If you
Press I.
press I, then you can write the content here.
Okay.
Okay. Then
Okay.
again, if you want to save and exit, what you need to do first, you need to press escape, ESC. Escape. Then as soon as you press escape, the insert option will be gone. You can see if I press I can write here. I can write something here. If I press escape, I cannot write.
Okay.
Then colon if I want to come out of this page and I want to go to the Linux page. So control, that is colon, you need to press colon,
Control
colon,
colon.
W and Q. That is
What, ma'am? First
WQ
is
stands for
colon, ma'am.
write and quit.
Ma'am,
Yes.
what to come out of the page? What we should write, ma'am? Press.
First, you need to press escape, ESC,
Yeah.
then colon,
Next.
next is colon, and you need to type WQ. WQ stands for write, W stands for write, and quit. Q stands for quit.
Wait.
You have written here, write and quit from this page.
Yes.
Enter. You will go into your normal Linux page. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you want me to show it again?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So now if I want to see the content of that Misho which I have written, what I need to type? What's the command?
Cat. Show.
Yes, cat Misho. Can you see here the content?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So in VI editor, you can write paras.
Ma'am, I don't know what to do. I've sent you a picture. It says no previous regular expression. So after pressing the escape, you told us colon,
Colon WQ.
colon, W, Q. It's not writing.
It's not.
The picture I've sent you,
No.
it says no previous regular
Okay.
expression.
Did you type sudo?
No.
Yes. You need to write sudo.
Sudo vi show.
Yes. Sudo vi and any name of the file. So this is how, these are three methods to create a file. One is empty file by the command touch. Second is one line file by the command echo. Echo is not used frequently, like vi is used. So to create a file and to write multiple lines, this is the method. Sudo vi and the name of the file. If you want to go inside the file, if you want to insert the content in that file, you need to first press insert, then write your content, then after writing, press escape, then colon WQ, enter. Then if you want to see, check the content of the file, cat and the name of the file.
Again, we want to add the data. Then same.
Again same, you need to type this command.
Yes, data content will be there, ma'am. Again,
Yes,
again.
like again if I want to edit,
Yeah. The
sudo
previous data
vi
will not be
misho,
marked.
enter. Can you see here? Press I, type something. Okay, I want to delete this. And I want to write trending. Okay, I have edited the content. Again, if I want to escape, colon, WQ, write and quit, enter. Again, if I want to check, cat Misho. Can you see here? I have changed the content. Got it?
Got it, ma'am.
Okay. If I want to delete the file, sometimes like I'm going into this file, I pressed insert. I have written something here. I have written something. Sometimes this WQ colon WQ doesn't work. So if you want to forcefully exit, then what you need to do, press escape, colon, Q, and this exclamator. Enter. Two methods to come out
Escape,
of the editor.
Q,
Exclamation.
exclamation.
Exit forcefully.
Exiting from
Escape key. You need to press escape key. Then colon, Q, and exclamation. This to exit forcefully. Two methods.
Escape key.
Is it clear, everyone? Now you all need to create files. If I want to delete the file, same rm, just rm and the name of the file.
Okay.
Like how many files I have created? AWS claw, Misho, menu, payment file. If I want to delete payment file, just rm and the name of the file, payment file. Enter. So you need to type sudo rm and the name of the file. Sudo rm, name of the file. Enter. So this is how you delete the files. Now if you want to delete all the files and directories, sudo rm -r and star. Sudo rm -r and star will delete directories and as well as all the files. See, is it clear, everyone? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So now create files. Create 3 empty files. Create 3 one-line files. And create 3 multiple line files. And send screenshot in group. File name, give your own file names. How do you create empty file with the command?
Touch.
Touch. And one line file? Echo.
Echo.
Echo the line and the name of the file. And multiple line file?
VI.
VI.
Sudo vi.
Yes. Now give your own file names. Here you can see how to create a file, 3 methods, touch and the name of the file to create empty file, echo, first file, the line and the name of the file to create one line file, and to create and edit file multiple lines, then vi file name, sudo vi file name.
Ma'am, sudo is mandatory for
Yes,
every.
because it's a administration command.
Sudo echo.
To save and exit from file editors, to edit file you need to press I then only you can insert, you can write the content. Then after
So
writing the
in
content,
echo, do I write a
okay,
content or just echo, sudo echo and the name of the file, or I have to write a file name?
echo the line. For example, this is
Okay.
my favorite game, this is my favorite class, this is my favorite
Mm.
book. You need to
Mm.
write the content here. Then you need to give the name of that file. Is it clear? This is my favorite game, and the name of the game, Subway Suffers.
Okay.
Subway Suffer will be the name of the file. Inside the file, you can see this line,
Okay.
cat, and the name of the file. Then you can see this line.
Ma'am, if we want to create multiple files, we can create giving a slash.
No, you cannot create multiple files. You can create one file at a time. Okay, if you want to create empty files, you can create by touch
Okay.
command.
Touch command. Okay.
Touch space, 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 like directories.
Okay.
Okay, everyone, please just see the screen once. Can you all see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now I have created two directories, that is software and hardware. In software, I'm creating some files. How do I need to create the files? By which command? Sudo,
Touch.
sudo touch, and any software. Like TCP, or again I want to create one more. Yes. So in software, I have created two files, that is app and TCP, right? Now come out of the directory, ls, two directories. If I want to copy the files from software directory to hardware directory, so what I need to do? What's the command to copy?
Copy only.
cp,
Copy.
yes, cp star
To
software,
copy software file to hardware file, ma'am.
yes, all the files of software to hardware. Enter. cp files to hardware. Okay, you practice, I'll show again later. First create three files. Copy file name and directory. You need to take care of the directories. You need to be in the home directory. Not belonging directory software.
Ma'am, for the last thing that you told us to do, which is the sudo vi, do I have to create another directory for it?
No, no need to create another directory because you are practicing. Be into EC2 user and home directory. But you can also create a directory, then you can create the files in that directory.
Okay. I delete
Yes,
them?
ma'am.
You said delete all the files, right?
Yes, delete all the files and directories.
Okay,
What
by
you
using
delete? Yes,
sudo rm negative
sudo
r
rm
and then
-r and the star.
okay. Yes. Okay.
So if I want to copy the files or directories, how do I copy? First, let's check my directories. There are two directories, hardware and software. Go to
Very
software.
presenting.
Presently, I have created two directories, that is hardware and software. In hardware directory.
Your screen is not visible. You are in presenting.
Yeah, it's not.
Okay. Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay, so I have created two directories, hardware and software. Now in hardware directory, I'm creating some files. Hardware, printer, pen drive, enter. So I have created two files. In which directory? In hardware directory, I have created two files, that is pen drive and printer. Now I want to copy these files into software directory. First come out of the directory. Let's see in software directory if it's empty or not. Okay, software directory is empty, right? I'm into software directory. I have checked by ls command. It's empty. Now I want to copy all the hardware files, that is pen drive and printer, in software. So what I need to do? I need to come out of the directory. I need to be in the home directory. Now pass the command cp, which stands for copy, then hardware, type hardware because I want to copy all the files of hardware. So hardware star space software. So copy cp hardware, all the files of hardware into software directory. Copy all the files of hardware directory into software directory. Enter. So there is no error. That means all the files of hardware, that is pen drive and printer, is copied into software directory as well. Now let's check whether it's copied or not. How do I need to check?
ls. Go to
That
software directory.
Yes,
CD
first,
software.
yes, first I need to go to software directory. Now ls. Can you see pen drive and printer here?
Yes.
So this is how you copy in Linux with the command cp the file, name of the file and the name of the directory, or name of the directory, content of the directories, and the name of the directory in which you want to copy. Similarly, you can also move. What is the difference between move and copy?
Move,
You're
completely
moving
move
the
from
file,
one directory to
Yes.
another.
one
Copy
directory to
means
another, yeah.
both in both the directories the files are
That
available.
it's present, yeah.
Yes. So if I want to move,
Pen drive.
what I need to do? Just mv,
Mm.
same command. Replace cp with
NS,
mv.
Okay, ma'am.
CD, also.
Move all the software files into hardware. Let's create another directory and we'll move into that directory. mkdir. Let's Python directory. Now let's move all the contents of software into Python directory, or hardware into Python directory. So what's the command? mv move contents of hardware directory, all the files of hardware directory into Python directory.
Okay.
Enter. Now if I want to check what I need to do, I need to go to Python directory, ls. So pen drive and printer, if these files are here. Because I have moved, then there will be no files in hardware directory. Can you see here? No files in hardware directory because I have moved all the files into Python directory. This is how you move and copy in Linux. By the command here, how to copy from one directory to another. Copy the name of the file and the name of the directory in which directory you want to copy. Or you can
When
either
I
give
did the
me the
copy,
directory name.
Ma'am,
when I did the
Yes.
copy, it said no such file or directory.
So which file or directory you are copying?
I think
You need to give
I
the
missed
correct
the.
name.
I did the mistake in writing.
Okay.
So,
So this is how
ma'am,
you copy with this command and copy. Move from this command.
ma'am.
Yes.
If we copy, do we have the files in both the
Yes.
directories?
Yes.
And
Yes.
if we
Because
move the
move, when you move, all the files will be moved.
like
can you?
will there be any directories? Sorry, in any files in that directory?
No.
Okay, only if we copy it, there'll be there.
Yes. If you copy, like, see here,
Yeah,
this
yeah.
is my two
Same like.
directories:
Mm.
lab directory and theory directory in Windows. So in theory directory, I have VPC class 1. I'm copying this. How do I copy? Control C.
Control C.
Okay, I'm copying here, copying that VPC into lab directory.
Yeah,
I
same like
copied here.
here it will be.
So it will be in two directories, right? Two
Yes,
folders
yeah. When you
in
copy it will
labs
be.
as well as in theory. But if
So
I
when we
move,
move,
so
like cut and paste. Move is like cut and paste. There
yes,
will be no file in the. Okay, okay.
yes, there will be no file here because it will be moved in this directory. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Please practice.
I didn't practice.
So with this, we have completed our file management and directory management. In file and directory management, what we have learned in files, we have learned three methods to create files: empty file, one line file, and multiple line file with the editor name VI. And now we know how to edit in VI editor, to exit from the editor, to see the file contents, to copy from one directory to another directory, and to move from one file to another file. How to delete the directory, how to delete the file, how to delete the directories and files at once, and how to create directories, single directory, multiple directories, parent-child directories. Yes? Any doubts in this?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So now we have seen how to copy the direct files of the directory to the other directory. But if I want to copy just one file into other directory, so what I need to do? So here
You
I
have to
have
give the
created
file
two
name.
directories, Flipkart directory and Ola directory. I'll change the directory to Ola. In Ola, I have a file, delivery file. So I want to copy or move this file to another directory. So what I need to do? Copy the name of the file, copy the name of, you need to take care that you need to be in the directory, Ola directory, the directory where is your file. You need to be in that directory. My file is in Ola directory. That's why I'm in Ola directory. So copy the name of the file. We can copy the files in /temp. /temp is a system directory, default directory of Linux, with where we store temporary data. Remember the general commands in that class we have seen the system directories /temp/var. So /temp is a directory where we store temporary data. So what I'm doing, I'm copying this delivery file into temp directory.
Okay.
Enter. So I have copied this delivery file into temp directory. Now if I want to check that it's copied or not, what I need to do? I need to go into temp directory, right? Enter ls. Can you see here? Delivery file. Yes.
Yes.
So if you want to store the data, if you want to copy or move your files for temporary purpose, so you can store in temp directory.
So we
Temp
copy it
directory
like that.
is the directory to
And
store
directory is
temporary
default directory
data.
in one system.
Sorry?
And directory is default directory in the
Yes,
server.
system's default directory. It is created because to store temporary data. So you can store any temporary data here. Similarly, you can also move the files in temp directory.
Serial file. I created the file.
Temp directory cannot be created because it's a system directory, right?
There.
So no one can delete that except you.
Serial.
So this is all about file and directory management. Because we are running out of time, in next class, it's a last topic left, that is permissions.
Serial.
We'll learn permissions in our next class. With that, then we'll complete the Linux module.
Okay.
Is it clear, everyone? After practicing, please don't forget to terminate or stop. I'm stopping the instance here. No, okay, I'll terminate.
Let's